Hotel breakfast tips.
Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a delicious topic to dive into: hotel breakfast tips. Whether you're a frequent traveler or just enjoy a cozy morning meal at a hotel, we've got some insider tips to help you make the most of your breakfast experience. Let's get started. Number 1. Research before you book. Before you even arrive at the hotel, do a bit of research. Check if the hotel offers complimentary breakfast and what type of breakfast they serve. Some hotels provide continental breakfasts, while others offer full buffet spreads or à la carte options. Number 2. Early bird or late riser? Are you an early riser or someone who likes to sleep in on vacation? Timing matters. If you prefer a peaceful breakfast experience, try to beat the rush by going early. Late risers might have a more relaxed meal closer to the end of the breakfast hours. Number 3. Dietary preferences. If you have dietary preferences or restrictions, don't hesitate to inform the hotel staff in advance. Most hotels are more than happy to accommodate vegetarian, vegan, gluten-free, or other special dietary needs. Number 4. Portion control. When faced with a buffet, it's easy to go overboard. Take small portions of the dishes you want to try, and if you love something, you can always go back for more. This way, you can savor a variety of flavors without feeling too full. Number 5. Mix and match. Get creative. Mix and match items from different sections of the breakfast buffet. For example, pair some fresh fruit with a bit of cheese or add some smoked salmon to your scrambled eggs. Number 6. Fresh and local ingredients. Whenever possible, opt for dishes that feature local or seasonal ingredients. It's a great way to connect with the local culture and savor the authentic flavors of the region. Number 7. Hydration matters. Don't forget about hydration. Enjoy a glass of fresh juice, a cup of herbal tea, or simply a refreshing glass of water with your meal. Staying hydrated is crucial, especially when you're on the go. Number 8. Take it to go. Sometimes, you might have early morning plans or a tight schedule. If that's the case, don't hesitate to ask the hotel if they can prepare a breakfast to go for you. Most places are more than willing to accommodate this request. Number 9. Be courteous. Lastly, remember to be courteous and respectful to the hotel staff and your fellow guests. A warm smile and a "thank you" go a long way in making your breakfast experience even more enjoyable. There you have it, our top hotel breakfast tips to make your morning meal a delightful experience. Whether you're staying at a cozy bed and breakfast or a luxurious resort, these tips will help you start your day right. If you have any breakfast hacks or memorable breakfast experiences to share, please do so in the comments below. And, of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more travel and food tips. Until next time, bon appétit, and happy travels!